Caitlin, where's your horsey? Where's your horsey? Can you show me? Where's horsey? Where's horsey? Wow, can you climb on? You always make Daddy a little nervous the way you ride this at 16 months. You're gonna be a jockey. Be careful now, I don't want you to fall. Hey, can we see your curls? You have nice little curls, curly hair, right? Yeah. Right there. Hey, kissy? Can you give kissies? Blow kissies, babe. Blow kissy. Okay. It's hard to do while you're on the horsey, right? Okay, goodbye.